Well, hey guys, another beautiful day. So to get you up to speed a little bit, I just recently bought this farm and it was let go for about 10 years since anybody's lived in here. The house needs a lot of work, and so we've been in the demoing process of getting the drywall and insulation out of it. So this is just a continue in the series. So hope you enjoy it. I'm going to bring you inside. So it's a pretty neat old house. It's got a lot of history, it looks like, but it needs a lot of work. So concrete block wall, which I think I covered in a previous video. So far, what we've done, we've gone through and demoed everything. You can see up here we demoed all the drywall and all the insulation. It was actually pretty well insulated considering an old house. But we found this old hip frame roof. The roof has been leaking a long time, and it just is not framed the greatest as far as how they supported it and different stuff. But what we're going to do, our long-term plan here, is to tear this whole roof system off and do attic style trusses so we can get a little more room up here. Take all these interior walls out, which will help open this up a lot. We're going to try to save the original part of the house. So it looks like this was concrete block, and then it's raised a foot on this part to match when they did an addition over here. Past the concrete blocks over here is the addition. So it's 2x4 walls, but I want to add another layer and make it thicker for more insulation. We checked down in the crawl space here, and it's pretty decent actually down in there. It's a couple feet down. It does have some plastic down in there, but it's not like super great shape. But I want to seal that off really good with a good vapor barrier. We still have the old bathroom here that's actually still functioning. But yeah, so it's cool to see how they did things, longer ago. You never know what you're gonna find in an old house. But looking forward to see what we can turn this into. These boards mostly are all old oak boards. This was actually kind of one of the coolest ones right here because it's 16 inches wide and 8 feet long. It's pretty solid, but underneath they're getting pretty moldy and stuff from the wet crawl space down there. But we made some pretty good progress here. We dug all this out. We dug quite a bit out of here to make this a lot nicer. We'll see if we got to end up going deeper or not, but we got quite a bit out. You can see kind of where the ground level was there. I left that for now because that is a working water heater. So we're going to take that out later, but right now, this is where the kitchen sink used to be, and that actually feeds over into the other part to feed the bathroom over there. So right now we're still using it. It's kind of nice because we're living in a camper, and so this gives us an extra shower for a little bit. Got to fill some holes in here, and we've got to wrap this all in Stego wrap, probably something for a good heavy-duty vapor barrier. Got to spray the walls with like a Kills primer or something to seal all that up. All right, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.